So we have a brand new iPhone 16 Pro, and we're gonna try out this UltraGlass. As I was reading some reviews, and it should provide superior protection. You can see this is the iPhone 15 Pro, and this is kind of a standard, cheaper, like $10 piece of glass protectant on it. And these things just seem to crack and break so easily. So when I saw the UltraGlass, the advertisement said that it is, again, superior protection to some of these $10 cheap ones. So it's not the cheapest, but what I want to see is it better protection, which it sounds like it does. And it also seems much, much easier to actually install. So let's see how easy this is. Again, this is a brand new iPhone 16 Pro. And as I peel this off, I want to be able to put a piece of glass on here and for it to hold up for a long, long time. I don't want to have to keep putting new ones on. These do have a 365-day warranty, and they have this whole dust removal setup. Let's see how it works. So I'm installing on a brand new phone, but it does have some wet wipes, a little dust cloth, and this little dust absorber, which just in the midst of that quickly, as far as opening it from the iPhone package, I noticed just somehow some little piece of dust got on there. I think I'm good on the dust. Okay, so I'm not worried about cleaning it. It is a brand new phone. I'm gonna add this on right up here so you can see the little top. All right, let's see how simple this is. I kind of go around, make sure it's on there good. So all I have to do with this particular phone is I'm just gonna be pulling this part off, like so. You can kind of see it's just, now they say that this thing should come out bubble free. I do see a bubble. Okay, so now that I have it like this, I'm just gonna take and just pull this part off. So we do have some bubbles here in the middle. I will say though that it's very well placed. I'm just trying to massage the bubble out here. Bubble is gone, and this thing is on perfectly all the way around the side. I know it's gonna be hard to see on the video, but it did line up perfectly. And throw that away, and then I would be able to take the other one that they sent and prep it into place. So I'm ready for another install if I had two of these iPhone 16 Pros. Again, they make this in 16 Pro Max or just iPhone 16, 15. Yeah, I think it's a pretty simple glass. I know I got a little bit of bubbles, but they worked right out. At this point, I would recommend this particular glass. Again, they state that this is one of the toughest types of glass. It's not gonna shatter like our previous one. So if you'd like to pick up one of these, I'll put a link to it down in the description. And if you purchase that, it would help us out. It's a great way to say thanks if this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.